Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get into like this everyday soft glam look. So if you like, just keep watching. Very natural. I mean, besides the eyeliner, but very natural, glowy, and everyday wearable. It's very easy, very simple steps. So keep watching. So let me clip my hair back real quick. Today I wanted to try a new primer. So I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I have oily combination skin and I have large pores, especially in the cheek area. So I really wanted to try this primer and see if it gave me a smoother look. Normally I use the Milk and then the Becca. I'm trying to hold on to the little bit that I have, the Ever Matte Poreless foundation. So all the items I use will be in the description box. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Filter Airbrush in shade 10. I really like this foundation. It's full coverage. But the only thing I don't like is that I have to use this little applicator. I prefer a pump. But it's really nice. It's really full coverage, very smooth, long lasting. So now I'm using the Too Faced concealer in the color Mahogany. I really love this concealer. I let it set for like a minute or two and then I blend it out so it could get the fullest coverage. So I'm using the Fenty contour stick in the shade Ebony. I'm putting that on the highest point of my cheekbone, under my chin, my nose, and blending that out. Now I let my concealer set for a few minutes. Now I'm blending it out. I'm just going in a tapward motion and just blending it outwards. Just making sure that it's really into the skin, it's smooth, and it has enough coverage. See? So I'm going in with Butterscotch, just in the inner corner, just to highlight a little bit more. Just to brighten me up a little bit more. I love this color. It really gives a good finish. So now I'm blending out that contour, that ebony contour stick from Fenty Beauty. I'm just tapping, and just blending everything out. And then after that, that's when I go in and blend out the concealer.
The day one, you running right back. The drama, you running down track. So one time, you tell me one time, you tell me one time. When your eyes open your eyes, baby. You be wise, it's in my pride, baby. I'm on the way, I'm on the front, baby. Me alone, leave me alone. Take it back now, but you want it. You want chance to walk it on me, I've been a body.
So I'm using my clear Morphe brow gel just to lay up my brow hairs first and let it set. And while it's setting, I'm just blending out the concealer, the Butterscotch shade from Too Faced. Now I'm applying Morphe's cream blush or liquid blush in shade Racy Pig, and I'm just putting that on the high points of my cheeks. Now I'm setting everything with the La Mercier powder. So now my favorite part, I'm bronzing. So I'm using the Morphe bronzer in shade Leader, and I'm just blending that all over the perimeter of my face. And I just love this part. This is my favorite part. And then I'm setting the rest of my face with the Morphe face filter powder in shade 11. Now I'm going to start in with the brows. So I'm using the Morphe micro brow shade pencil and filling in my brows. So now I'm concealing the brow. I want the brow to look as natural as possible, so what I'm doing is using Mahogany towards the front and ends of the brow, and then I'm using Butterscotch as a highlight under the brow, and then blending it outwards. So on the top of the brow, I'm using the same foundation I used before, the Charlotte Tilbury in shade 10, and carving out the top of the brow. So now I'm going in and contouring my nose and under my eyes. So I'm using the Morphe bronzer in shade Leader and blending that out. Now I'm going in with Supreme. Supreme is a little darker than Leader, and I'm just putting that all over my lid just to make it as an eyeshadow, just a natural eyeshadow look. I really love this as a go-to look, just using a bronzer on the lid and call it a day. So now I'm using the clear Morphe brow gel again. Now this powder, the Charlotte Tilbury, brings everything together. This is in shade 3, and I'm just patting that under the eyes. Now I'm going in with Darkroom, a Morphe pencil. They had another shade that I really liked, but it's been sold out. I think it was called Smoke Out. I don't really remember the exact name of the shade, but that was like the blackest black pencil I ever had in my life. But It's been sold out for months. I can't get it anywhere. So now I'm using the mattifying Morphe spray just to set it. And I'm using my Spice Lash, which is from my brand, with the Kiss glue. I'm applying mascara first before I apply the lashes. I hope you guys tried my lashes. It's Prim B Beauty. This is my favorite style. It's called Spice. It's like a 3D, wispy, everyday wear. It curls up, it's short, it's perfect. Shop my lash brand. I have from 25mm to short natural lashes. And yeah. Yes, you see? That's why I love these lashes. So now I'm applying mascara to kind of blend my lash with the falsies. So I'm using MAC's Chestnut lip liner and filling out my lips. I go in a little bit more on my top lip because I have fuller lips. So I kind of use the liner a little bit more in to kind of contour my lips a little bit. My top lip is bigger than my bottom lip, so I kind of fill it in a little bit more. So yeah. Then I'm going in with Morphe FREEBIRD lip gloss. It's a pinkish brownish color, and I just tap that in the center of my lips and blend that out. And then I go in with the FENTY gloss. Now this is FENTY Cognac Candy. I don't know how you say it. Cognac Candy. It's like a tongue twister to me. But yeah, I really love this for a natural glow. And I'm going to mix that with the other diamond powder because I can't use the other diamond powder alone. So I used the luminous spray on the cheek just to give it extra glow from Morphe. I apply a little bit more of the Cognac Candy from Fenty Beauty, and then I use How Many Carats to kind of blend it. Because of my skin tone, I feel like if I just go in straight with the How Many Carats, it's too silver. So what I do, I use the Cognac Candy. Well, I can't say this. I'm done. Cognac Candy, and then I go in with the How Many Carats. But yeah. So now I'm setting everything with the Morphe spray. Yes, I keep spraying because I want it to look like skin. I want it to look natural. I want it to look nice. But yes, I'm pretty much done with the look. Very easy, very simple. Let me take out the clips. Yes. Fluff the hair out. Yes. And I'm going to come back with the final look. Bam. There you go. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, subscribe to my channel for more looks, more tutorials.